Hello everyone, welcome back to another cleaning video. Today I thought I would do a motivational Monday just to get you all in the mood to clean and tackle your homes. This is being filmed on a Monday and I should be able to upload it the same day, so I'm hoping it will be up tonight. And yeah, I really needed to tackle my kitchen. It was a complete mess. We had breakfast this morning and obviously I took the kids to school, so I don't manage to like clean anything in the mornings. I sort of leave it until I come home and then I get to cleaning it all and making it nice and sparkly and fresh. So the first thing that I am going to be doing is emptying and reloading the dishwasher, and honestly a dishwasher is life-changing for us. I mean, it's only a small one, it's like a slimline one, but we tend to actually use it in the morning because, to be honest, I'm quite bad at keeping the place like clean and tidy at night. I know I should like get it all nice and clean before I go to bed, but I've just been super tired recently, so I end up just doing it in the morning. But that's absolutely fine as long as it gets done like once a day, then that's fine by me. But we tend to only put it on once a day just because of electricity and water, so yeah, we don't use it any more than once. I'm then just moving on to the sink and cleaning this and the draining board and also the dish rack as well, just because like the black piece underneath, it gets really grubby very quickly, so I'm going to give that a good wipe down as well, and also just finish cleaning this tray and then I can pop it back in the oven later. I'm just cleaning all the surfaces behind me and giving them a really good wipe down, and also putting things away that do not belong there because it's just a bit of a dumping ground here at the moment. We also got another kitchen roll holder that sticks to the bottom of the cupboards, and I was quite apprehensive about getting it again just because in the old place it used to get in the way, especially when I was trying to like get the cutlery in and out of the little like holder. But actually it works a lot better here because we have a lot more surface space. And then I'm just gonna wipe everything down with the flash spray and make it all nice and clean. And then just moving on to the other side where the cooker is, and as you can see, again, it's just gotten really messy from this morning. So I'm just going to tidy everything up, give it a good wipe down, and then it will be all nice and neat. I am also loving the new kitchen just because it is that little bit bigger. I think maybe not in terms of like floor space, but in terms of surfaces and everything, it's a lot bigger and it's got more cupboard space. So it's just easier to use, easier to access everything. And yeah, we have plenty of space here. Now that that is all done, the last sort of area I need to sort out is just by the fridge. This is again a dumping ground, and we've been very bad at emptying the bins at the moment, so we've basically been like filling normal bags up, so they're going to go by the front door, and when I go out later I'll obviously take them down. But I'm just going to clear all of this, give it a good wipe down, and actually off camera I also cleaned the fruit bowl just because it had gotten a little bit dusty, and then I'll put everything back and it will look perfect. So the last thing on my list today is to give the floor a really good hoover and then a mop. It just has food like all over it, especially in the corners, which is why I basically only really use this like little nozzle on the hoover as opposed to like the whole thing, just because it's quite a small space and I can't hoover around the corners when I'm using the main attachment. But yeah, I'm just going to give this a quick hoover, make it all clean, and then I'll give it a really good mop. And that is the kitchen clean with me all done. It just looks so much clearer, so much cleaner and tidier, and I actually don't mind being in this room now. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this gave you all the motivation you need, and I will see you in my next one.